to Kim video. Oh! Hey Kim, how are you? Are you awesome today? I like your red shirt.
Yeah, this might be you.
Kim, I love you. I love you a lot, Kim.
What's the game here? What we do? What you do?
We're gonna roll a dice till somebody gets a five. And then whenever they get a five, they start rapping.
I know it hurts.
You hand the dice to the next person. Everybody keeps
I have a
rolling.
video.
And then when the next person rolls a five, they get the ball and they get to start rapping.
Shoot at Kim again.
And whatever falls out, you get if you get to something.
Oh, this is where you
Well, at first I messed up and I started rapping.
I think you
I started rapping individually.
Here,
so
grab
I
Ollie!
to rap with ring.
Somebody shot you.
Here.
So we just go around the. We just go around the group.
Yeah, we'll just go around and somebody rolls a five.
Come here. You want to do it?
What?
You don't want to?
man.
What?
He said he wanted to do it.
He did it.
You know what I'm
Hey
saying?
Kim, you want to get shot again?
Here, you want to help?
Well, he did it. Matt is the one that.
He wants to do it by himself.
You go ahead.
Y'all go ahead and do it. Andy can't do it.
When you roll a five, you can start unwrapping.
Daddy, Matt's the shooter.
Wait, hold up. How's everybody supposed to get in?
Yes, you did.
You roll and roll five.
You hiding, Kim?
Yes, if you roll doubles, you pass it to the next.
Can't do it.
That was a four.
Kim is hiding.
Don't
Daddy.
learn.
I have a video of. You know what I have?
What is it with fours?
Can I tell you something, Daddy?
Mama?
Mommy, guess what? Guess what?
What?
Matt's the shooter.
Okay. Where's
Hey, Matt, you're the shooter.
You gotta roll five.
give it to Matt?
Hey, Kim, do you love me, Kim?
You playing Alicia?
Kim, do you love me? Leisha, do you want to play?
Oh.
Matt gets to start.
That's why it's home field advantage.
Go, give it more.
Give it to Mark.
Yeah.
You can't rip. You can't rip
I
it.
can't read.
Jacob.
They know how to
You're
roll
messing
them
up.
dice.
Stop.
Probably a five.
Keep rolling. Man, I suck.
What'd you just say?
It's like everybody else plays.
You're supposed to keep
They
going.
are.
Roll.
Oh.
You don't stop till he-
No, he didn't
You
win the
gotta
whole
hurry.
thing.
Matt's gonna get it
I
all.
didn't know it was a.
He just won
Oh, he
one
just unwraps until we get something else.
one prize.
Oh,
I didn't
no.
realize it was a hurry
You
down.
can't rip it. You're tricky.
Wait a minute.
Y'all cheat.
Mommy! 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 Please.
Oh!
Yay.
Hurry.
Wait up.
Oh, what? Throwing it.
Oh, no, hurry.
One. There, you got that.
Am I supposed to stop?
Oh, no, keep going.
Y'all go home.
Yeah.
Ollie's got it.
Four. Three.
Hey, Daddy!
What?
What are you doing? Stop that.
Four.
It's not your turn yet.
Four. Two. Here, throw it on the ground. Hurry.
Yeah.
Five. Come on, five. No.
One.
Where's the end
You
of it?
can't rip it. You gotta.
Where's the end? Four. Yeah, there.
Jacob, let go.
There you go.
Help Daddy.
Four.
I can't even get in it. Stop.
Two.
Four. Wow.
One.
Look, there. Unwrap that for Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Five.
Oh, fuck. You
Hurry, roll it.
Maybe. Gosh, Holly.
One.
One.
Jacob.
Five. Eight.
Who gets it?
Three.
What'd you say?
Six.
Hey.
Don't roll 6.
I guess.
6.
Four. Go.
Oh. Does that count? Where'd it go?
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Hey, wait. Wait.
I'll wrap it up. The money fell out. I don't know how I did.
6.
I'm out.
Money. Hey, roll
Wait,
that
yeah, time out. Let's wrap it up.
Time out.
Time out.
Yeah, you can
I'd
unwrap
like to
that.
share this candy if anybody wants it.
Yeah, you can have it.
Bless
I will.
Start unwrapping it. It's my flashlight. He said, is it mine? I said, yeah, you can unwrap it.
What are you doing?
Let me help you get started.
Are we going? Okay, it's
Draw
nobody's
one.
What? No, it's
I done did. I done.
Just hand it to me.
Kid, this is the second video.
Did not work?
Here. Come on, get back to me.
Oh, 4.
We'll put some batteries in.
Not yet, baby.
Okay.
Hold on to it. We'll put batteries in.
God.
Oh my gosh, it's right at it.
You gotta be kidding. Hurry, hurry.
Bro!
Hurry, roll. Oh, I got it.
Hey, look. Look at that junk.
That was so good.
That was fun.